Do you want to know how I make sweet, delicious mama? Then let's go. If today is the first time coming across this channel, guys, or you have subscribed to my channel before, you guys are all welcome to this channel. I greet you all. In this channel, we do a lot of things, cooking video and entertainment video, guys. You are all welcome. Please do me well to hit the subscribe button. So here we start, guys. Here is the fish I want to use on this mama. We are cutting it, as you can see on this video. So I'm done cutting it. It's time for me to add it inside the pot and cook it, as you can see. So after adding it inside the pot, I put one more Maggi and salt inside. After adding the salt, I put water inside, cover it and put it for fire to cook. So here is the beans I want to use on this mama, guys. I add onions and pepper inside. So after adding, then it's time for me to blend it. This is the blender I want to use. So I put the beans inside the blender. So after adding the beans inside the blender, I add water to it to blend it. So I'm done blending the first one. So I blend these beans 3 times. This is the second one. And this is the third one. So after blending it, I remove it. This is the fish. The fish is ready, guys. So it's time for me to remove it for the pot and let it cool down. So I'm done removing it, guys, as you can see on this video. So here is the beans. It's time for me to mix the beans. As you can see, this beans and mama is yummy, guys. Please do me well and like and share this video, guys. Comment. So I put salt inside the beans and also add one more Maggi cube inside the beans, guys. Put the runner. Now only wife material na in the runner. This is wife material in the kitchen. So after adding the Maggi, I take the spoon and mix it. Make sure you mix it very well. Mix it very well so that everything will marry themselves very well, as you can see me doing on this video. So I test it. After testing it, I add the fish stock inside. So this is the water I used to boil fish. So I let it hot very well. So after pouring it, I turn it together, as you can see on this video. Then I will cover it for a little minute. If you are missing your beans, make sure you test it so that you will not add too much salt. So here is the fish, guys. It's time for me to deboil them. So I want to remove the bowl from the fish. So I'm done removing the bowl, guys. So let's go back to the beans, guys. So it's time for me to add the fish inside and mix it together. Why some keep their fish aside after serving it before they put the fish inside? I like mixing the fish together with the beans, as you can see me doing on this video. Please mix it thoroughly. Make sure you mix it very well so that everything is combined together. So it's time for me to add oil. This is groundnut oil I'm using. So I add the groundnut oil, mix it together. As you can see on this video, I'm still mixing it, guys. Make sure you mix it very well. So this is me doing the mama. So I test it to check if it is okay. So I have to mix it well so that everything will combine together. So here is the plate I want to use for this mama. So I will serve it on this plate, guys. Before serving it on this plate, I will add oil to rub this plate, as you can see on this video. This is wife material in the kitchen. Now only wife material they run now. Who they zuzu? Now wife material. As you can see on this video, it's time for me to serve it inside. As you are serving it, you are adding the fish inside. See mama now, it's getting ready. It's getting ready. If you taste this food, then it's so yummy and delicious. Try it out and come and thank me later. I know many of you know how to do mama. Just try it this method. Either you add egg or fish and egg. You can bust egg inside if you want. So I'm done packaging it, guys. It's time for me to arrange it for the pan I want to use. On this pan, I add a little bit of water to cook it. So I'm going to use oven. Is it not oven you guys call it? So I'm going to use oven to cook it. So the mama is ready. Here is the mama, guys. Everything is yummy. As you can see on this video now, it's ready. What do you think about this video, guys? What do you think about this mama? See, Anna, it's so yummy. Share this